Ever wish you could magically find your lost keys, wallet, or even your pet? Well, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to make that wish a reality, offering unparalleled peace of mind for all your important items. What makes these the best Bluetooth trackers is Apple's incredible precision finding, utilizing ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your misplaced items with exact directions on your iPhone. Imagine walking into a cluttered room and your phone literally points an arrow, telling you your keys are under the sofa cushion. That's the power of AirTag. Setup is ridiculously easy. Just one tap on your iPhone, and your new AirTag is instantly paired and ready to track. No complicated apps or steps needed. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag leverages Apple's massive Find My network, meaning millions of Apple devices worldwide anonymously help locate your items, even if they're miles away. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry if your bag gets caught in the rain or your tracker takes a little splash. For anyone searching for a reliable, seamless solution to keep track of their valuables, investing in an Apple AirTag is a game changer. If you're ready to stop the frantic searches, you can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This 4-pack offers incredible value, ensuring all your most important items are protected by the best tracking technology available in 2025. Simply put, if you own an iPhone and want the ultimate peace of mind, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an essential purchase, and we highly recommend it.